Hey everyone, having trouble starting your car? Is your clutch acting up and your obd2 scanner is showing code P0807? This code is directly linked to the clutch position sensor circuit low input, which plays a critical role in ensuring your manual transmission operates smoothly. Ignoring it can lead to startup issues, rough gear shifting, or even a complete clutch failure. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0807 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components responsible for this issue. Let's dive in. What is P0807? The P0807 trouble code indicates that the clutch position sensor, CPS, is sending a signal that is lower than the expected range to the ECM, Engine Control Module. This sensor is responsible for detecting when the clutch is engaged or disengaged, which is essential for proper vehicle operation. Symptoms of P0807 include engine won't start unless you press the clutch pedal multiple times, difficulty shifting gears smoothly, check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light, unresponsive clutch pedal. If you're experiencing any of these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0807. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0807, check these critical components. Clutch position sensor, CPS. Location. Found near the clutch pedal, usually at the top where the pedal meets the firewall. Function. Detects clutch engagement and sends signals to the ECM and TCM. Clutch pedal switch. Location. Mounted on the clutch pedal bracket near the firewall. Function. Works alongside the clutch position sensor to confirm clutch operation. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location. Typically under the hood near the battery or inside the passenger side kick panel. Function. Receives signals from the clutch position sensor and manages transmission shifting. Engine Control Module, ECM. Location. Usually near the firewall, under the hood, or inside the dashboard near the passenger side. Function. Uses clutch position data to control fuel injection, idle speed, and engine performance. Wiring and connectors. Location. Runs between the clutch position sensor, ECM, and TCM. Function. Transfers electrical signals. Any damage can cause incorrect readings and trigger P0807. Common causes of P0807, faulty clutch position sensor, CPS. A damaged or failing sensor can send incorrect signals. Misadjusted clutch pedal switch. If the switch is not properly aligned, it may cause starting and shifting problems. Wiring issues. Loose, corroded, or damaged wiring can disrupt sensor signals. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. If the TCM malfunctions, it may not correctly interpret clutch position data. Low voltage or battery issues. Weak battery voltage can result in lower signal input to the ECM. How to fix P0807. Step 1. Inspect the clutch position sensor, CPS. Look for physical damage, misalignment, or loose connections. Step 2. Check the clutch pedal switch. Ensure it's properly adjusted and functioning. Step 3. Scan the transmission control module, TCM, reset or replace if needed. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors, repair any loose, corroded, or damaged wiring. Step 5. Check battery voltage. Ensure the battery and alternator are providing a stable power supply. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to clear the P0807 code and see if it returns. A P0807 error in the clutch position sensor circuit can cause starting issues, poor gear shifting, and even clutch failure. Checking the sensor, clutch pedal switch, ECM, TCM, and wiring is key to solving this issue. Watch these related videos next. P0480 cooling fan. Relay 1 control circuit P0481. Cooling fan relay 2. Control circuit. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.